Hello to anyone who decides to watch my first YouTube video. I'm going to be doing a really simple makeup tutorial today. It's my everyday makeup. I'm only going to be using about 6 products. It usually takes me about 5 minutes and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. I'm going to start with my eyebrows. It always takes me the longest, and I'm using City Color Bold Brow Powder. This is not a brand that I normally use, but I got it in my Ipsy and I don't mind it. And we have these 2 colors, and I'm going to use the darker color first to just fill in the outside where you can see it's visibly lighter. Alright, and next I'm just going to take my lighter color and I'm going to fill in where I have more hair on the inside. Alright, and I'm just going to clean up the lines now. Alright, and those are eyebrows done. Next we're going to be moving on to my bronzer. I use Tarte, the Park Avenue Princess. It's my favorite bronzer. This is what gives color to most of my face when I'm in a hurry. I'm applying pressure directly on my eye, not so much on the top part of my eye area, so that the color is concentrated in the crease. I'm going to take my bronzer, my cheekbones, and this kind of works for highlighting and contouring at the same time when you're in a hurry. And then I'm going to tie my bronzer in with my blush. I'm using the Too Faced Perfect Blush. No, sorry, it's called Perfect Flush Blush. And it's got 3 different colors in it. It's a pink, a peach, and like a highlighter. This works really well for me personally, but I like that more of a pinky look to my cheeks. I know a lot of people are scared of blush and they prefer maybe something more mauve or something more peach, something kind of lighter. Then I'm going to be putting just a touch of eyeshadow on, and I'm using the Be You Naturally Tarte palette. And I'm going to use this nice light gold color on the lid.
White man, why you always got your racism? Why everybody privileged? Why you trying to get the vote?
And time for my mascara. This is also Tarte, the Man Eater by Tarte. I'm pretty much obsessed with Tarte. Everything I use is Tarte.
Johnny man, why you gon' overcharge me, son? All I wanna do is feed my young. Maybe even feed the homies too. Maybe even feed my brand new book. To show I'm a man, I'm a man. Why you tryna get the best of me? Why they tryna do the rest of me? Why ain't I been doing the facing me? Why they to R&B? Gonna get back to trap, that's Sunday.
All right. And then, last but not least, lips. Also Tarte. I don't know the color of this because it's so old that it's rubbed off, but
I swear my worst fear is having some kids, yeah. I swear my worst fear is disappointing my parents. I hope I never do it. It's apparent when I hope I never break another heart. I hope my good friends not falling off. I hope they're so patient with me now. Cause I'm gonna keep grinding.
and that's it. That's my everyday makeup. If you guys have any questions about any of the products I use or anything that I did, just comment below, and I hope you stick around for my future videos.